How does Istio provide microservices observability? Imagine trying to understand a busy city's traffic without cameras or sensors. It would be nearly impossible to know where congestion or accidents happen. That's similar to managing microservices without proper observability tools. Now, picture a system that automatically gathers detailed information about every interaction between services. That's what Istio does for microservices within a containerized environment. It acts like a traffic control system, giving you a clear view of what's happening behind the scenes. Istio uses Envoy sidecar proxies, which are tiny helper programs attached to each microservice. These proxies intercept all network traffic going in and out of the service. They collect data like how many requests are made, how long each request takes, error rates, and how busy the service is. Because these proxies are part of the system, they do this without changing the actual application code. It's like having a security camera that records everything without the residents noticing. Next, Istio gathers metrics based on the main signals of system health. These are latency, which is how long it takes for a request to be processed, traffic volume, or how many requests are happening, errors, which show if something is going wrong, and saturation, indicating if resources are maxed out. These metrics help operators see if a service is slow or failing and where the problem might be. Distributed tracing is another key feature. When a request travels through multiple services, Istio creates a trace that shows each step along the way. It's like a GPS route that reveals the path a request takes. This helps identify bottlenecks and understand dependencies between services. These traces are sent to tools like Jagger or Zipkin, which visualize the flow and make troubleshooting easier. Access logs are also generated for each request. These logs include details about where the request came from, where it went, and what happened during processing. They're useful for auditing and investigating security issues or failures. To make all this data easy to understand, Istio integrates with dashboards like Kiali. These dashboards display real-time visuals of the service mesh, showing how services connect and how traffic flows. It also exports telemetry data to systems like Prometheus, which collects metrics, and Grafana, which creates visual dashboards. In cloud environments like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, managing complex microservices architectures can be challenging. Istio's observability features help teams monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize their services efficiently. It provides a unified view of the system, making it easier to spot issues early and keep everything running smoothly. So, in simple terms, Istio provides microservices observability by automatically collecting detailed data on service interactions. It uses Envoy proxies to gather metrics, traces, and logs, then visualizes this information through dashboards and monitoring tools. This way, operators can see what's happening inside their microservices environment at all times, without adding extra work or changing their applications.